and welcome to the iEARN Collaboration Center Getting Started video. Getting started in 1, 2, 3. We're going to start with logging in and how you log in as a current member. So all of our current active members will have received a welcome email from iEARN with a login link and confirming also your username that you will use to log in. So click the link. And from here, you're actually going to reset your password first. So click Forgot Password and enter your username. I'm entering username Professor Albus Dumbledore here. We'll click Next. From there, check your email and you'll get a password reset link. And you'll have to create a new password for the new iEARN Collaboration Center and confirm the password here. Once you've reset your password, you can then log in. Type in your username, the password that you just created, and then click the Login button. From here, you're taken to the home screen, the new Collaboration Center. And we'll take a look next at how to join projects. So back to the home screen, if you know the project that you're looking for, you can type it in the search bar and search for the project directly. So I'm searching for Talking Kites. I see it directly there, and I can click to register. I'll just confirm that I do want to register for this project. And then from there, I can go directly to that project or course and start taking a look at the activities that are available in the project. If I don't know what project I want to join, I can find a project or a course in iEARN by searching for tags. So anything from subject area to age level to sustainable development goal. I can make my selection. So in this case, I'm looking for a secondary mathematics projects and then see all of the projects that relate to my chosen tags. So in this way, you can search what's available in iEARN and join projects. And all of the projects that you register for will show up on your My Projects and Courses space on the home page. And again, you can click directly on it to be taken to the activities space. Next, we're going to take a look at how to participate in discussions and say hello to one another. So we're going to go back to our project, and you can get started right off with an introduction activity. Most projects have an introduction discussion forum with a prompt from the facilitator, and you can enter a comment here to say hello, share about yourself, your class, and post a link or attach a photo, whatever you'd like to do to share your message. In addition to participating in discussions in the projects, we also encourage teachers and students to join groups. So click on the My Groups tab and search for school groups that are available in iEARN. From there, you'll see the iEARN Teachers Forum for teachers and the Youth Forum for youth and project facilitators. So you can click to join the group and then start participating in discussions. So there is a topic here already for introducing yourself, and from here we can say hello to one another and start sharing. Finally, we'll take a look at resources that are available to support you in the new Collaboration Center. So in each of our Teachers Forum and Youth Forum groups, you'll see that there are resources within those groups. So this is where we're posting handy resources for getting started. There is a video tour of the whole Collaboration Center to show you the main features. And you can watch that video there. If you'd like to check out the latest project book edition, you can click there and view the whole catalog of iEARN projects. And also the iEARN Teacher's Guide is available in the Teachers Forum. So those are the resources that are available to you in the groups or also in the Resources tab. And your iEARN projects will show up under the Courses tab. So Courses, Groups, and Resources. And of course, when you log in, don't forget to update your profile, share about you and who you are, and we look forward to seeing you online in the new Collaboration Center.